Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Bonjour and welcome to this 4 Kelvin walking tour of the top beaches in France. I am thrilled to take you on a journey along the sun, sand, and sea of this beautiful country. Before we start, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to join our travel community and never miss an adventure. The backdrop of pine trees and granite rocks adds to the natural beauty of the area. Our next stop is the lively Promenade des Anglais in Nice. This iconic beach promenade is a popular spot for tourists and locals alike. Take a leisurely walk along the coast, watch the waves crash against the pebble beach, and admire the charming architecture of the buildings. Last but not least, we head to the charming island of Vaudreuil, where we visit the gorge Esplage des Golondiers. This beach is surrounded by ice and dunes and offers a peaceful and serene atmosphere.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Take a swim in the calm water or simply relax on the soft sand and soak up the sun. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of the top beaches in France. I hope you enjoyed the stunning scenery and added these destinations to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know your favorite beach in France. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. By Bientôt.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.